Hi, everybody. Welcome to Module 7. And I wanted to take the opportunity to introduce you to my cat, Ponger Bond, but he's not too happy to be held right now. But this is my boy. He's his name, Ponger Bond, comes from an old Irish poem that I love. And so um, that's my cat. Now, Module 7, you're working on your outline. You're going to bring together the skeleton of what your presentation is going to end up evolving into once you put the flesh upon the bones. So the work's pretty straightforward. It's arranging your thoughts in a coherent order and working out how within that order you're going to arrange all the information you want to convey and your quotations, of course, and images and all the rest. So that's pretty straightforward. Now, this module, I hope that you are going to indulge me in sharing a passion of mine with you, which, believe it or not, is the recent science on left and right brain functioning. We have come miles in understanding the two hemispheres that we are carrying around up here in our brain case. And a while back, I was just hanging out with a friend, and we were throwing a ball back and forth, and I could actually feel how when I caught with my left hand, my right brain processed the catching of the ball differently than my left brain processes catching my right hand. We're getting to the point where we're even understanding how our civilization and its possible impending downfall is also based in left and right brain hemisphere functioning. I know it's a very big claim, and I will be sharing that information with you during our module, and I welcome you to plunge into it and read it. And but your assignment, strictly speaking, is to deal with the short essay drawing from the right side of the brain, and to watch a TED Talk, one of the most remarkable TED Talks I know of by Jill Bolte Taylor, which was called My Stroke of Insight. Jill Bolte Taylor is a brain researcher who had a stroke. And so she got to experience from the inside the very phenomenon of left right brain functioning that she was studying. It's absolutely amazing. So I hope that you will again indulge my enthusiasm and maybe get a little enthusiastic yourselves about learning how your brain actually functions. Okay, have fun this module. I look forward to joining you all in the discussion topics.